The month of September can be bullish or bearish for the XRP Ripple price. I'm going to explain everything, so hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price as a DC trading. Today, I'm going to explain why the month of September is very important for the XRP price. There's a lot of events going on and you guys need to be aware. So starting off, let's talk about the CPI data. Let's talk about the FOMC meeting, interest rate hikes. As you guys know, the last CPI data that was released showed that what? All items rose to 0.2% in July. Yes, inflation rose from 3% to 3.2%. And then also core inflation rose from 4.6 to 4.7, indicating that inflation in fact is rising. Also, what did we get from the last FOMC meeting? The Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System voted unanimously to raise the interest rates paid on reserve balances to 5.4%, effectively July 27, 2023. So, Jerome Powell decided to raise or hike interest rates by 25 basis points once again. Last week, what did we find out? Well, Federal Reserve Jerome Powell said Friday the central bank is prepared to raise rates further as it continues to fight to bring inflation back to its 2% target. Yes, he is speaking on behalf of the CPI data that was released a couple weeks ago, indicating that inflation in fact is rising. Now, we have two major events that you guys need to be aware of, which is why I'm making this video. September is very, very important, not only for XRP, but for the rest of the crypto market and the stock market. I'm going to explain everything. But the two dates you guys need to be aware of first is September 13th, 2023, which is in about 2 weeks from now. The CPI data will be released. Why is this important? Well, this is going to show us if in fact inflation is continuing to rise or do we see a slowdown. Based off of this, we're going to know where Jerome Powell is headed, and he's going to explain his plan in the next FOMC meeting, which leads us to the next important date, which is when? September 19th to the 20th, which is the FOMC meeting. This is where Jerome Powell is going to explain his plan, what he decides to do next in the future, and where the economy is going. This is very important because this is going to affect the crypto market and stock market. Let's just say, for example, they decide to raise interest rates once again. Well, jobs are going to be hurting. Why? Because companies, small companies, are going to struggle to pay their bills if interest rates continue to hike. That means jobs are on the line, and we may very well see a lot of unemployment in the winter time. So you guys need to be prepared for anything that might go wrong. This can definitely cause the crypto market and the stock market to crash. So please be aware. But let's just say, he decides to pause interest rates and, inflation is showing us that it's slowing down. And he says, no more, we're going to start pausing. Well, this would obviously be very bullish for the crypto market, for XRP, for the stock market. Meaning we're going to see a big recovery in a green candle on the monthly time frame for the crypto market. So those two specific dates you guys need to be aware of, September 19th to the 20th and September 13th. If you want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe because I will definitely keep you guys updated with the FOMC meeting and the CPI data. Now, moving on, let's talk about the other dates, which is what? Well, today, actually, Ripple's response to the SEC motion for permission to file an interlocutory appeal is due today. Yes, it is. And on September 8th, the SEC will file its reply. So we're going to find out this month if, the judges allows or gives them permission, the SEC permission to file an interlocutory appeal. based off that, it could be very bullish. Why? Because let's just say they deny them. Well, there's a good chance. There's rumors saying that on September 29th in New York City, Ripple will probably announce a settlement with the SEC. As you guys know, September 29th, Ripple is having a celebration in New York City. What are they celebrating? The victory against the SEC. As you guys know, XRP was deemed not a security, and they have, they're the only crypto right now that has clear, has clarity. So yes, this is why I'm letting you guys know September, the month of September, can be a very bullish or bearish month for the XRP Ripple price. Also for the crypto market and stock market, obviously. But with that being said, I'm going to go over the dates again. We have September 13th. We have September 19th to the 20th. We also have today and September 8th. And last but not least, we have September 29th. Keep an eye out for those dates, because it can obviously, if everything goes bullish and perfect, it can send XRP price to $1. That's my price prediction. The most bullish scenario is XRP will go all the way up to $1. So with that being said, if you take a look right now, the price of XRP is down to 50 cents right now. The MACD indicator is telling us to buy on the daily, but if we take a look on the weekly, it's indicating a sell. So we don't have a strong signal right now. It's a 50-50. As you guys know, we do have strong support around 50 cents. So I expect to be stuck between 55 and 50 cents for quite a while until September 8th, until September 13th, September 19th through the 20th. Once those dates pass and these big events occur, we're going to find out where the price of XRP is heading. The most bearish is I do see XRP dumping to around 30 cents. So be aware of that. If we take a look right now, yes, they got liquidated. The bears and the bulls got liquidated this week. So they still feel confident because they entered back again, as you guys can see. But as of right now, I tell everyone, please do not trade crypto right now, especially XRP. It's not a good idea. It can go either way. This is what I'm telling you, become long-term investors. Dollar cost average 1 to 2 years from now will be completely different. But this is why I'm telling you guys, be aware of September. It could be either bullish or bearish. CPI data will be released. The FOMC meeting, which will tell us where Jerome Powell is heading and the U.S. economy is heading. And last but not least, the party, September 29th. Will Brad Garlinghouse announce anything major? Maybe a settlement, maybe an IP, a Ripple IPO launch. With that said, you guys hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis. Make sure to share this with family, friends, and neighbors that own XRP to let them know. Be aware of September. It can get very volatile. If you made it this far, comment the number 589. Peace.